which are the best villain voices in ElevenLabs. So I'm over here at the home page. Let's go to text to speech. I've already added some text over here. So let's go to the voices. Click under where it says voice. Click on that. Then the first voice, look for column. I guess it's column. And the first one. Let's listen.
Life without love is like a tree without blossoms or fruit.
Yeah, so as you can hear, this voice is very natural, which can read villainous lines with subtle menace. So let's go to the next voice, which is Smoky Sam. This is the one, let's listen.
Wir haben unsere Männer überall. Wenn du redest, dann wird mein Freund Viktor dich besuchen kommen. Möchtest du Viktor kennenlernen? Wir haben unsere Männer überall. Wenn du redest, dann wird mein Freund Viktor dich besuchen kommen.
So you can hear it in different language, but once you generate the speech to English, has that very villainous voice. And it says here villain, right? So a villain, the smoky voice. So let's go to the third one. The third one, which is this Jessica Ann. And character, this one.
Well, well. Look what we have here. A ranger caught off his guard.
So as you can see, it's very kind of storyteller, villain style, which is great for type of a female voice. Okay, so let's go to the fourth one, which is Lucifer. Now, you're gonna hear Lucifer, but it's gonna be more of a Joker for me when I listen to it. Let's listen.
Imagine a dark place, or a suspenseful situation, or imagine your own scenario for my voice.
So you can, as you can hear it, it's very villainish, kind of evil, stylish voice. I would say more of the Joker than Lucifer. But yeah, this is a great voice. So let's go to the last one, which is the fifth one. And it's gonna be villain / arrogant. The first one, which is what it says, right? Arrogant and naive. Let's listen.
You'll beg for my mercy, but by then I'll have forgotten your name, hero.
Yeah, so this kind of voice is good for like type of villain who underestimates the hero, who tries to manipulate, who thinks he's a genius but he's not. That kind of voice. So yeah, I gave you 5 voices. These are the best 5 villain voices in ElevenLabs. If this video was helpful, make sure to give it a like, and thank you for watching.